Harold Ralph Lewis, black theoretical physicist. Harold Ralph Lewis spent nearly 30 years as a researcher at the famed Los Alamos National Laboratory in New Mexico, but his research took him to colleges and universities throughout the United States, as well as Europe and Africa. Fluent in German, he co-translated several volumes of the works of the Austrian physicist Wolfgang Pauli. Harold Ralph Lewis was born in Chicago on June 7, 1931. His father, Harold Lewis, was an electrical engineer. His mother, Lena Lewis, was a schoolteacher. Not surprisingly, they placed great emphasis on the importance of education, which was fine with young Ralph, who was naturally curious and an avid reader. Lewis was a good student and decided in high school that he wanted to study physics. He graduated high school a semester early and went on to Wilson Junior College in Chicago. While there, he was offered a scholarship to attend the University of Chicago. He received a Bachelor of Arts degree after only 3 years, but stayed on to get a Bachelor of Science degree after 2 additional years. From there, he went on to the University of Illinois at Champaign-Urbana, where he received his Master's of Science in 1955. He remained at the university for his doctoral work, in which he measured the magnetic fields of superconductors using nuclear radiation. He received his PhD in 1958. Initially interested in experimental physics, Lewis had become intrigued by theoretical physics and chose to do postdoctoral work in Germany at Heidelberg's famed Institute for Theoretical Physics. He spent 2 years there and then returned to the United States to join Princeton's physics department. While at Princeton, Lewis became interested in plasma physics, a new discipline that studied ionized gases. He also explored the possibilities of harnessing thermonuclear energy for such useful purposes as generating electricity. His interests led Lewis to the thermonuclear fusion project at Los Alamos in 1963. While there, he collaborated with scientists and researchers at a number of institutions, including the University of Wisconsin, the U.S. Department of Energy, and the Witwatersrand University in Johannesburg, South Africa. Lewis left Los Alamos in 1990, but remained briefly in New Mexico to teach for 1 semester at St. John's College in Santa Fe. In 1991, he became a professor of physics at Dartmouth College in Hanover, New Hampshire. Citations are in the description.